Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Adobe Creative Cloud account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reset your Adobe Creative Cloud account, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Adobe website. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your Adobe ID or email address associated with your account. Click on Continue. Next, you will be prompted to enter your password. If you cannot remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive a password reset link via email. Check your email inbox for the password reset message. Open the email and click on the provided link. This will direct you to a page to create a new password. Enter your new password. Make sure it meets Adobe's security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again. Once you're done, click on Reset Password. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. Return to the Adobe website and click on Sign In again. Enter your Adobe ID and new password. After signing in, you'll have access to your account. To manage your account settings, click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Select Account from the drop-down menu. Now you can update any additional information if needed. Your Adobe Creative Cloud account is now reset and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.